and for everyone that are looking at the website ifanura.com. So then we need to ask for the solution. The solution to the loss of life for him is to comply sacrifice. No. You need the savior. Among the Orisa is with bone, is asking with bone, or Saloson. If I says no, you need the savior. And we need to begin asking for who is the savior for him. Begin from Ifa, as the God of knowledge. Ifa, you are the savior. You are the savior for him. No, it's bone. Ofun Goda. Ifa says no, I am not the savior for him. Orisa, this is the supreme gods. Orisa, supreme Orisa, Orisa Obatala. No. Ìwòrì onìkan ni a ti rìn ẹnìkan oṣù kójú ọmọ ti ní Ṣàngó ní savior. Àdúrà fọkàn náà bí sọ lójú Olódùmarè. Ọbàtálá, it chose Ọbàtálá as the savior. Ọbàtálá choose what is requested from him so that he'll be able to save him for the sudden death in this new year that we're about to enter. No, Ọbàtálá doesn't choose anything. Ọbàtálá choose something for him. Obi is the elderly materials to worship Orisa. Obi is the one that Ọbàtálá choose. Is the material that Ọbàtálá choose from him. No. To block the road of sudden death. Otua, not Obi. Igbin, which is snail. Not snail. Ask him with the bone. Irosun Ọ̀kànràn. Òtúrú pọ̀ngbè pọ̀ngbà pọ̀ngbà bí iná jókòó, it chose snail. After then, you still need to ask, that snail is countable or uncountable? If chose